Welcome to the Hail Repair Education Series brought to you by DentOut, where we walk you through what proper hail repair really requires step by step. This series is built for three types of learners: vehicle owners who want to learn what truly goes into a quality hail repair so they can choose the right shop with confidence; insurance adjusters who seek a deeper understanding of the process; and PDR technicians who strive to master elite-level repair. Today's topic: why we remove the back glass on trucks or the hatch on SUVs when repairing hail-damaged roofs. Let's begin with access. The rear portion of the roof is often blocked by the back glass or hatch assembly. Beneath that area are bracing structures, overlapping seams, and pockets where hail damage tends to hide. These areas cannot be accessed with tools unless those components are removed. Next is visibility. At DentOut, we don't just repair dents from one direction. We work every dent from 360 degrees, using reflection lighting and multiple viewing angles. Because a dent may look fine from one side, but from another it still reflects distortion. Without full visibility, you're not truly correcting the damage. You're just reducing its appearance. That's not good enough. Then comes precision. Paintless repair is not guesswork, it's controlled metal reshaping. To deliver a flawless result, we need to control our access, our leverage, and our sight. That level of accuracy isn't possible when access is restricted by glass, trim, or hatch assemblies. Now let's talk about OEM standards. All vehicle manufacturers outline procedures for safe and proper repairs for each part of the vehicle. These procedures often include removal of parts that obstruct repair access, including glass, lift gates, hatches, and internal trim. We follow those standards, not because it's easy, but because it's correct. And finally, outcome. What separates average work from expert craftsmanship isn't that the dent is better, it's that the dent is gone. At DentOut, our customers inspect their vehicles carefully when they're returned. They look at every panel, every reflection, every angle, and they find nothing. Because our standard isn't good enough. Our standard is no trace the damage ever existed. One insurance adjuster once asked, "Why do you remove the back glass? The shop down the street doesn't." After we explained everything we've just explained to you, access to the dent, visibility from all angles, OEM compliance, and the superior outcome following these steps gives us, he was shocked and responded, "I didn't know that. No one's ever broken it down for me like that." That moment reminded us, we're not just repairing vehicles, we're educating everyone involved in the process. This brings up another important point. Insurance companies don't repair vehicles. We do. Their job is to fund repairs. Our job is to execute them correctly, safely, and to the highest level of quality. We accept payment from all insurers, but our responsibility is to you, the vehicle owner. And if that means removing a hatch or a back glass to make it look like it never happened, we do it, every time. Because at DentOut, we don't compromise. We don't make it look a little better. We restore. In our next episode, we'll continue breaking down what goes into the auto hail repair process so you can understand exactly what separates true craftsmanship from corner cutting. For more information, call DentOut at 956-342-5887 or visit our website at dentoutpaintlessdentrepair.com.